Number 1. Have fun. Life is too short not to enjoy what you can. See a movie just for laughs. Spend a day playing your favorite childhood hobby. Play outside like there is no tomorrow. And smile at everyone you see. Number 2. Practice self-care daily. If you only have 10 minutes, do a face mask. 20 minutes, do yoga. 30 minutes, do your nails. Or better yet, go get a manicure and pedicure. Eat out at your favorite restaurant. Shop at your favorite mall or store. Even window shopping counts. Give someone a hug and receive the warmth with all your heart. Do what you love. And your spirit will love you back. Number 3. Exercise. I know to some it is a horrible word, to others, a regular part of life. Find your path to wellness by discovering what exercises work for you. Are you a walker? Do you like to bike to work? A roller skater? Pilates? Basketball? You get the idea. Find what moves your body and do it. Who cares who is watching or what they say? Dance like no one is watching. Number 4. See your doctor. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But whether or not you eat up, go see your doctor routinely. Get your checkups, your teeth cleaning, new glasses. Be the best and healthiest you can be. Do not skip vital appointments because you are too busy. Your family and friends will thank you.